somebody stole some equipment. What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. And today I am sad to report something that happened to a fellow YouTuber, and also I would consider a friend of mine, because we are in the same business as lawn care. You may know him as L&L Lawn Care. Unfortunately, someone stole his trailer and also made off with about $25,000 worth of his equipment. So I'm going to share the video with you with the news report, and then I come back and I just have something to say.
They cleaned it out.
Surveying the damage is hard for Ladarius Reed, the owner of L&L Lawn Service, a small lawn care business in Blue Springs, a business he hopes to one day pass down to his son.
That's why I moved to Blue Springs, because it's supposed to be safe, and you wouldn't think something like that would happen, you know.
But in the early morning hours of Saturday, Ladarius' home, surveillance cameras captured someone backing into his driveway with a truck and taking off with his trailer. He would wake up and his trailer would be gone. Thankfully, a community-wide effort, along with the help of social media, would help locate the missing trailer.
It's not that hard to find a big trailer with your logo on it, especially with the Superman logo on it.
But access to everything Ladarius needs for work, gone. He estimates about $25,000 worth of equipment was stolen. Many things he used his savings to accumulate, the thief only leaving a single gas canister behind.
You can kind of see like where they kind of tried to burn it and stuff. You can smell the gas.
Right now, his customers are on standby. Ladarius says he only wishes people realize how much thieves impact people's livelihood. For now, he plans to start over piece by piece, the same way he began.
I'm here to try to feed my family, show my children too that if they work hard, they can achieve something. When somebody does something like that, I mean, it hurts the community. It hurts the actual family. It just puts a bad name here in Blue Springs.
Sharifa Jackson, Fox 4 News.
So fam, as you can see, man, they got him. They ripped him off, man. And right now, man, my heart really goes out to the brother, man, because, hey, it is very difficult to put that money together, to have somebody just come and just take your business. And not only is it your business, man, this is something that, like, as he said, this is going to be a part of his legacy that he leaves for his kids. And anything that you know about legacy, it has a lot to do with what you do now that can actually help your family work a little bit less stressful in the future. One of the things I want to add that he shared with me, he does have a GoFundMe. And his GoFundMe, man, he just asking for some help from the lawn care community, man. So I definitely tried to look out best way I know how. I did contribute to it. So I am putting my money where my mouth is. So, man, if y'all can go over there, I'm going to put the link in the description. Go and show some love for him. And I know that, you know, it'd be hard to replace the $25,000. But what he's asking for, I believe, is about $5,000, $10,000, man. And I really, if you can give him more than that, man, you know, if you got it, man, give. And I really believe that it will come back to you. But I also want to share this with you. He told me that he didn't have the proper insurance. And I know a lot of y'all like, oh, come on, man. Oh, no. Somebody shouldn't be stealing your stuff, period. They should not be coming to your house late at night to take what you work hard for. That's one. So he made a mistake by not having the proper insurance on his equipment. So the proper insurance is you got to have what is called liability insurance, and then you have like this general insurance where it's over your equipment costs. Please consult your insurance company. They'll tell you exactly what it is that you need to have in order to have that coverage. Now, the liability is for if you go out and bust somebody's windows, but then you have a general insurance that's for your equipment. And typically, man, most of us have maybe $50,000 of general insurance. Mowers and stuff like that, I doubt if you have anything more than $50,000 laying around where someone can just come rip off. You could, but if you got more than that, I think you should be aware that you should have a different type of insurance. He explained to me he had only homeowners insurance, which that's not what you got to have when you run a commercial type of business, which lawn care is looked at as commercial, even though you're doing residential. So, fam, please like and subscribe to the video. Please, if you have any questions and concerns, man, go over to his page, man, L&L Lawn Service. He hasn't been on YouTube lately because of the circumstances, and I can understand why he wouldn't be on YouTube under the circumstances. I can't say this more. My hearts go out to L&M Lawn Care, brother. I hope that that you get everything back that was stolen, and that you receive double portions, man, because you're a real good guy. I know what you're doing. You're working hard for your family, and you have a vision for where you want to go in the future, man. So I encourage you to overcome this, and y'all show some love today. Go right now. Go fund me. I'm gonna put all the information inside my description. Go and support our brother in need. All right, Cut On Lawn Care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.